Okay, so today we're going to kind of make a follow-up after I made the chicken tikka masala, and we're going to make some naan bread, which is an Indian flatbread, and will kind of serve as the basis. There's a lot of ways you can go with it, but we're just going to make a plain naan bread. So first I start with 3 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a half an ounce, of yeast, 5/8 cup yogurt, plain yogurt, and 5/8 cup warm milk. And so I warmed up the milk, and that's what you're going to dissolve the yeast into. Then you're going to mix it together until it forms a dough, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I've mixed in the yeast with the warm milk and the yogurt and kneaded the dough into one large ball till it's smooth. And now we're going to cover it with a clean cloth and put it in a dry, warm spot for about 4 hours. Okay, we've taken the dough that's set for 4 hours, pulled it out, rolled it into 12 individual pieces on a lightly floured surface. I just pour the flour out on here. And so I have one piece here that's been flattened out. You can see kind of semicircle, and it's ready to go. So now I'm going to take it on one side only in a cast iron skillet. And I have olive oil. You can use regular oil, vegetable oil, canola oil. Traditionally, Indians would use ghee, but I'm going to cook it on one side only in this, and then the next side we're going to transfer to a broiler. Now I've finished cooking the bottom with a little oil in the cast iron skillet. We're going to brush a little bit of butter on top. And here's where naan can really just kind of be a blank palette. If you want to just serve it straight, you're going to cook it till it kind of gets some good brown spots and bubbles up in the broiler like this. Or you could add some cheese. I like to add some red pepper. You could add some parsley. You could add some cilantro. Really, the sky's the limit. Now we pulled it out of the broiler. You see how I got it toasty on top. You can do it as toasty as you want. Here's where I would really add cheese or a little bit of cilantro or garlic. Actually, you could add garlic while you're boiling it, but we're going to go ahead and finish the rest of these up. But I think you get the idea and go from there. And certainly check out the chicken tikka masala because it's great to dip in the sauce with this bread.